Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and I'm ready to share with you Candy's Card Club for July. Now, each month I choose a bundle or a stamp set, and I create 8 unique cards with it, and I provide all the supplies needed to create those cards, plus the envelopes, plus a set of creative goodies along with it, and that is available in a subscription or as a single class. So let me show you what we're doing for July. As I said, I'm featuring Notes and Totes. This is a new bundle that's absolutely exquisite, and you're going to have so much fun. This is a photopolymer stamp set, already greatly loved. The dies are to die for, and you can choose to add these on if you wish for your card club. If you do, I give them to you at wholesale price, or basically I'm paying your tax and shipping. These are really useful dies. They're super easy to work with. You're going to love them. These can be used with the stamp set and also way beyond, because you can make tote bags. You can use the fence posts, the shells, the sunglasses in so many ways. So like I said, you can add this on, or you may already have this, or you can use supplies you already have, stamps that you already have. The dies are already done for you. So let me show you what's included in your kit. Now, everything comes packaged very nicely for you. This is the project kits from May. So they each have their envelope, and everything is sorted in each individual envelope so that all of these die cuts are in there ready to go for you to stamp and assemble and just have fun. Now, the subscription is charged to your credit card the same time every month. It's the easy button. You don't have to think about it. I send you an email letting you know what the kit is for that month, and the opportunity to add on anything if you wish. If you don't want to subscribe, you can pay a little bit more and get just a single month. There are loyalty rewards after 6 consecutive months of Candy's Card Club, and that is where you will get a really nice package valued at $25 with products and goodies and all kinds of fun things. So in the July kit, let me show you what you get. So I guess I should show you the cards first. So we do, like I said, the 8 envelopes, and my cards I do in pairs. So technically these are the same layout, but they're 2 completely different cards. Now, this is a gift card holder. Look at how cute these fit a gift card. So these are the gift card holders. And then I have 2 cards here. Now you'll notice these rub-ons are one of the things I'm including that you're just going to love using. So again, the same layout, but very different looks. I always have at least 2 fun folds. So for this month, my fun folds are actually the simplest cards. Well, I say simple. They have a lot of bells and whistles. So you have 2 gift cards, 4 standard, very stepped up cards, and then 2 gift card holders. Now, let me show you the creative goodies that you're going to use, and then use them on loads of other projects. So one of the things I try to do in my supplies for Candy's Card Club is select items that I think you're not only going to use here, but effectively you get like a little shopping cart with each of your Candy's Card Club purchases. So like this month, you're going to get 12 sheets of this beautiful Full of Life designer series paper. Now this is a 6x6 pack, and you're going to get 12 sheets. I don't even have 12 here because I've used the heck out of this paper, but they're very bright, very pretty colors. And you're going to use them on all of these cards, but then you're going to have, there's 8 cards here. You're still going to have some left over to play with. Now, I wanted to do something a little bit different here. These are really bright colors, and I've chosen this 3-pack of Natural Tones thread, linen thread. Now, they're on sale right now, which means I was able to give you an extra big pack of supplies this month. And I try to give you really useful and versatile things. These, I love these. These are linen thread, so there's a different feel than our twine. The twine is a bit softer. This has more body, just like our regular natural linen thread. This is dyed. And I think that these colors are going to be used not only on these cards to help balance the brightness here, but to give a little bit of earthiness to the brightness, but also on your fall and holiday projects even. I think you're gonna love using these. And then, kind of the star of the show, as it were, as far as your goodie bag, is these are the metallic rub-ons. Now you get 2 sheets each of 2 different designs, and you get 2 in silver and 2 in gold. Now these I used on all 8 projects, but look how many you're gonna have left over to play with. And I am already leaning into fall and Christmas. Look at these. You're gonna have these left over. Now I used these and I used some here. So you're gonna have, I used some of the gold, some of the silver. You're gonna have loads of these left over to play with. Now, this week on my Facebook Live, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use these. To be honest, they're super easy to use, but I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks on how to use them most effectively and not have any waste. So once again, I hope that you will consider either joining Candy's Card Club or just taking a single month for July. I've packed a lot of love and a lot of value into the July kit featuring notes and totes. Thanks so much for your consideration. Take care and God bless.